Hola a todos, my name is Carlos and I'm Spanish as a foreign language teacher. Today we're going to practice some colors and vocabulary with things I can find in my own house. So, welcome, bienvenidos. Right, bienvenidos a la sala, welcome to the living room. As you can see, beautiful day in London. Yeah. I'm going to be pointing certain things that we can find here in my living room, and I want you to try to make the sentence before I say it. Then I will say it in Spanish and we will practice this way. Right, so what can I say about this? La planta es verde. So verde, remember, we don't change the gender even if la planta is feminine because it ends in E. So, la planta es verde. Then we have a mask that I brought from Mexico. So, it's blue, right? The color is blue. La máscara es azul. La máscara es azul. Good. Let's see what else I have. What about this? This is purple. La colcha es morada. La colcha es morada. What about that? The wall. La pared es blanca. La pared es blanca. Let's move on. So that's, of course, negro, blanco, gris. El control es gris. And then this book, red. El libro es rojo. El libro es rojo. Let's move on. The door is brown. La puerta es café. La puerta es café. El bloqueador solar es naranja. El bloqueador solar es naranja. Okay, we need to go to the kitchen because we haven't covered all the colors. Right, so this and this, yellow. El cepillo y la esponja son amarillos. El cepillo y la esponja son amarillos. Okay, good one. This and this, plural, feminine. How do we say this? Las tazas. Good. Now, because it's plural, the color is going to be plural as well. Las tazas son azules. Las tazas son azules. Actually, this one, esta taza, I found it in a charity shop here in London, and it's made of talavera, which is this material, and it comes from Mexico, of course. Beautiful, and it was £1 or something. Good. Right, so this is a way you can practice in your own house. Just walk around, point at things and try to say that word in Spanish. And if you want to push yourself and increase the level of your practice, so you can try to make it plural or you can try to play with the gender. Alright, see you next time and I wish you a happy learning. Bye bye, adios.